So now we're going to show how to turn something into myBlock. So I'm using the follow a line to a T example I previously did. And just like before in the can video, we're going to select everything. So once again, you're going to click, drag your mouse over everything, and release your mouse. And you should see things highlighted in blue. There's this button up here. This is the Create myBlock button. And the reason you want to use a myBlock is if you're going to be doing something again and again. So if I wanted to follow a line to a T over and over, or I didn't want to program it, if I make it into myBlock every time I want to follow a line to a T, I just drag out this myBlock and I don't have to program it again. So we'll call it follow line to T, and you can describe it. You can build some kind of icon for it if you want, and then click finish. Oh, so we have to name it something else. And as you can see, this little myBlock is created. And if you ever want to edit a myBlock, because I didn't test it before I made it into myBlock and there's a mistake or whatever, if you double click on it, your program's right here and you just change it, whatever needs to be changed, and save it. Just the normal file save. And it will update all your myBlocks that are called that. And to use this myBlock, it's this third little palette over here. You can come over and find follow a line to a T. And this is definitely where actually making your icons comes into handy. Because as you can see, I have a bunch of exclamation points. I have to scroll over them to see what they're called. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a myBlock.